Hello everyone, this is Lily Rose once again, and today we're making slime. So right here I have some glue. Right here I got Elmer's glue. Oops. And I'm gonna put some glue in here. Cause how else do you make slime? Okay. I'm not gonna be making a lot of slime, I'm just gonna be making a little because this is just a little thing. Okay. I'm gonna be, next is going to be baking soda. So, and I'm gonna be using this baking soda here. But of course you can probably use any baking soda, but I choose to make these in all of my slimes. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, I messed up. I put a bit too much baking soda in. Oh no, this is no good. Oh no, oh no. No bueno, no bueno. Oh well, we can probably make this work. Just, if you accidentally do this, then do it. Well anyway, if you do this, I don't know. This is just a mistake. Don't put this in the tutorial just in case mine fails. Ah, man. Alright, next up is going to be your dye. And for my previous slime, it is blue, so apparently we're going to be making blue! I'm using this right here, this neon stuff. And I'm going to be using this blue right here. Okay. So, I'm going to be doing 1 drop, 2 drop. Okay, so. Now you just gotta mix it. Mix it. But remember guys, the next thing that's coming up is don't put on too much activator. But if you do, it'll just be a really, really, really bad putty. Okay, so that's the slime so far. And now it's time to activate it with activator. Yes. Yeah, and this is going to be the activator that I'm going to be using. But I don't know any other activator, so just if you can't find any else, then know what to do. 1, 2 first. Try it because usually you just got to put in a tiny bit. Otherwise, like I said before, you get a big, floppy mess. It is actually just quite sad. Okay, so that's the 2 drops. 3, 4. Doop, 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 doopity doop. Okay. Okay. So this slime is turning out nice. Okay, and maybe 1, 2 more drops. Yeah, because like I said before, you don't want to over-activate it. Whoops. You need to make sure this doesn't turn off. Okay, make sure you don't add too much, because if you do add too much, then it's just going to be a big mess. Okay, make sure you get all that. Next up is take it and play with it. And do what to do it, and 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 do it. Yeah, that's my dog squeaking her toy in the background. Isn't that nice to know? Am I right? Okay, so let me just start. Technical difficulties. Okay, I got it. Okay, so this slime is actually really cool, really stretchy, really, really cool. And I do totally recommend this recipe because this is how I made all my other slimes. That's just my mouth making those noises. But yes, this is the slime that I made. And yeah, there's also some other ones. Let's move this bowl out of the way. This is another slime that I made, this purple one, except this one I didn't use Elmer's glue. This one I used another type. And this one also worked very well. This one right here. This one, there we go. I don't know why I'm making that sound. But yes, this is my purple slime right here. I think it's very pretty. Especially when you make it. It's pretty much just the same recipe except using non-see-through glue. My next one is this purple one that I think is very pretty. This one right here. This one is a see-through slime, like this blue one. This is actually probably one of the best ones that I made because look how see-through it is. So, this is my other slime. And see that? That, my friend, is a little bubble. Yeah. And my other one, oh look, this blue one's already starting to turn more invisible-ish. Ish. I said ish! This other one, I don't know why I made this pink one. Probably when I'm extremely scared or something, then this is the thing to go with my nightmares. But this is actually a pretty good slime. Probably one of my best ones. This one is the same day. This is the one I did on the same day as my purple one. But if you actually do, like, hold on, let me get it into a, like this. If you do this, it looks really metallic. You can't see it on the camera, but I assure you this is good slime, and this is all homemade. This next one was my third one, I think. The other two ended up like putties. Hold on. This one was weird. It's super duper, really wet. I probably added way too little activator. I underactivated it. It's still good slime, but it's very, very wet. So, yeah, oh yeah, by the way, these are how those other ones turned out. Yeah, these ones are just a big mess. Here, hold on. This is literally just not slime. There's a bouncy ball. And by the way, yes, I did test that theory. It literally, it bounced. It really bounces. Oh yeah, this is the other one I made on that past video. It looks similar, but no, this is the one I just made. And look, it's all see-through and stuff, just like that purple one. Let me just get it, and then I can stretch it. And then I can show you guys what it looks like. Look, it's all see-through, just like that purple one. So if you do follow my recipe completely, you will get a slime texture like this. Okay? Just like this. Oh, yes. Well, whoa, hold on, I just got a weird thing. Oh, whoa, okay, we're back. Okay, what was that? That was weird. Oh, Baby Plush, is that you? Hey, what's up? Oh, hey, what's up, Baby Plush? Hey guys, did you know that I'm having a reaction channel coming soon? Wait, since when? Since just now. Maybe I'll do a reaction video on one of your videos. That'd be nice. Yep, that'd be nice. Yep. Yeah. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and every single one in the subscriptions. And don't forget to subscribe to 8852 Gaming, Mason Hoffer, Maya Wilch. Now it's My Cat and Me, but if you do search Maya Wilch, Maya Wilch, it should pop up. And I feel like there's one more. Oh yeah, Lily Rose and Nikki Ramsey, which is their other channel. They haven't posted in a while, but I assure you it's a great channel. They also play with my robot brother and her robot brother, Cosmo. And I really like him, so go check out those videos. Bye guys, enjoy my videos and enjoy the ones coming up.